Okay, this is the first video diagnostic. So the problem is we need to write a function called find the first word with most repeating character. So I first define the function var equal to function find find the first word. So what's the input here? Write a function called assign a string. Okay, I'll take a string. So I got I'll say words string. Make sure the syntax is correct, and then I'll return. What I'm gonna return is one word, which is also a string. So okay, this is typo string. So return the longest, what is called the most repeated. Wait, as long as return the first word in the given most repeating word with most repeating hand. First word. I'll say word result. So define this word, this returning variable. First, I think first I need to separate this string to so many words, and then I'll loop around all the words and find out the most repeat. So I think it would be great if I have a helper function which calculates how many repeating characters. So I'll do a helper function variable find repeat characters equal to a function which takes a single word and it will return the repeat characters count or repeat character count. So why there's alert string is already defined. That's correct. There's a typo. There's alert. Just have enough semicolon here. And then so why do I have initializer? Because they will count or each star is 0. Okay, within the single word of the string, right? I'm gonna use a for loop to count it. Oh, for each. I'll just practice more higher order function. Var single word array. So I will convert this string to array by using the split. There are splits with every single character. So and then I use a for each to do the counting. Therefore, dot for each function. This is a callback function with element. I'll remember it can't be a single element anymore. I need to also take the index and the array. So then I can do the count. So how do I do this repeat? I need to, so actually I will do initial 1 because every single letter will have at least 1 repeat. First word is, okay, so I don't really care which letter it is. So I just, you know what, this is gonna return. For every single element, we'll find its repeat from this original array. So in return, it will be a array of numbers. It will be an array of numbers for showing each letter's repeats. Like for example, in this array, I will return once it convert to word. This will be because A has 2 repeat will be 2 and R has 2 will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Because Y only have 1 repeat. And then I will find the max value for all of them. Then I know the repeat. Actually, now the name is not accurate. Find most, right? Because all I care is find most repeated, not count, not find, actually count. Most repeat. Okay, I'm recording it. So in this one, for each. So for every element, I think I may want to do another for each. I don't know if this is good logic here. So have another variable characters count array, which is this one. Like I said, will contain the repeat for each single letters. Okay, now let's do a for loop. I can do another for each. I should do another for each. Okay, repeat character count is actually going to be a temporary, it will change over the time. So I'm not really repeating, return this. That's inaccurate. It should be the most variable, most. It takes pretty long time. I can only record 15 minutes. Once I finish this, it should be pretty fast. Most repeat characters count. So this will be returned because later on will be maximum number of this array. Okay, for each element for each indices array, that another for each another callback function. I'll do element 1, so even though it's local, I don't like to repeat. Okay, now if element let's have the internal. I give a better name. Internal element. If element equal to internal element, the count will +1. The repeating ++. Okay, be very careful because this is global. Should I do a global? No, let's do a local. Var, I'll do it here because I just don't like this. Equal to start with 0 and then repeat. Inside of this, if and then return repeat character count. So now we return the count, and for each when they return the count, well, this is outside of this each. And then after running this loop, see no, for each shouldn't return anything. Actually, this one should be over there. I'll gather this and then increase. So it does not return anything. Okay, this one will be, let's start creating this character count array dot push. You know what? I thought I can finish it in 15 minutes. Looks like I cannot. Okay, let's do a test. Just see how does this one go. Why? Well, let's return something. Array here. Oh, time is up. I'll record another one. I'm not finished.